you ever get a craving for something that you want right away? Well, today I'm making a banana bread that I had a craving for, and I had all the ingredients, so this was perfect for today, and I thought I would share it with you. So I have 3 ripe bananas, which you need, and these were just starting to go bad on my counter, overly bad. So I knew if I didn't do something with them, I would throw them away, and I didn't want to do that. So banana bread is perfect for this. You need 3/4 cup of sugar, 1½ cups of all-purpose flour, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 3/4 cup of unsalted butter, and 1 egg lightly beaten. And now I'm going to show you what to do with those bananas that might be going bad on your counter and make a delicious banana bread with them. And if you've made banana bread before, then you know to mash up your bananas first and just use a fork to do that. Just mash them up really, really well. Melt your butter, and then you're going to add that to the bananas. And you want to give it a good stir and get all of that in there. Add your egg. Mix it up really, really well. And it will be a little soupy, sort of. But then you add the vanilla extract. Add the granulated sugar. And I like to mix it in just a little bit at a time, just so that way it gets fully incorporated, especially since I'm doing this by hand and not using a mixer. Once you have that mixed in, add in your salt. And then add in your baking soda. Then add in the flour, and I like to add just a little bit at a time just because it's easier to mix it in, and you want to continue to do that until you don't see the white of the flour anymore in the batter, and this will start to thicken up some. And prepare a loaf pan with some nonstick spray. Pour your batter in, and then you're going to bake this on 350 between 50 and 60 minutes. So depending on your oven, you want to just check it. And when that toothpick comes out clean, then it should be fine. And I like to just kind of pat mine down a little bit to get any air bubbles or anything like that out. And once you're done, this is what it looks like, and this is absolutely delicious. Now, I could have used a smaller loaf pan, but this is the only size I have. So mine, wasn't as, I guess, thick or as high as some banana breads, but really, really delicious. Absolutely loved it. And just a nice little treat to have with some coffee, and kind of, cured my craving for banana bread. So anytime you got bananas that you need to use up, this is a perfect way to do that. And it's a super moist banana bread, not dry at all. So I hope that you enjoyed this little video and that you will enjoy this recipe. Hope everyone has a blessed day. God bless y'all.